Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to refill your Nespresso capsules and use them in whatever Nespresso machine that you have. So the tools we're going to need to do this are empty Nespresso capsules, ground espresso, any type you like. I like this Crema Gusta I get off of Amazon. It goes on sale fairly often. Spoon to fill your capsules. Here's another nifty little tool I bought off Amazon. It's a 1.75 inch hole punch. We're going to use this to cut some holes in foil to make a little cap for our capsule. You could also use scissors if you want, but this just makes it a little easier. And then also a champagne cork. This will make it easy to tamp inside of your capsule once you fill it with the grounds. So we're going to start by breaking off a piece of aluminum foil. You really want the cheap foil here. You don't want the heavy duty foil, so go to either like a dollar store or Kroger and just buy the basic cheapest foil that you can find. Once you rip the foil off, I'm going to use my hole punch here. So what you do is you'll just set the punch down like this and put your foil, slide it in like this, and then you'll just push down. And when I flip it over, you can see you have a nice perfectly round disc here that we're going to use to cap off of our capsule. I'm going to do two because we're going to fill two capsules. We'll do one with the smaller espresso shot and the other with the lungo shot. So here I'll stamp out another hole in the foil. Now, if you don't have this hole punch here, you can also just use a scissor, but it's a little harder to get it, perfectly round. So I like this. I think it's around $10 on Amazon. So once we have these cut out, what we're going to do, take our two capsules and fill them with the grounds. So I already had one of these open, so we're just going to use this. So just spoon the grounds in. Once you get some in there, maybe just tamp it down a little bit. And then you want to fill it up to the top again. And then tamp it again. You want to tamp it pretty firm, not too much pressure, but you want it to be compacted in there. And the next step, you want to clean off the grounds from the rim here. So just kind of brush them off with your finger. The next part's a little bit difficult, but maybe we'll add a little bit more in here actually. Next part's a little difficult. You want to take your disc, put it on top of the capsule like this, and then kind of lift it up and pinch some of the edges down like this. Once you've pinched that, you can flip the capsule over and then just work the foil up around the rest of the edges, like so, with your fingernail or with your fingers. And then just kind of work it like this and make sure that it's on there pretty tight. You don't really want any excess foil touching the side of the capsule either, because you won't get as tight of a seal once it's inside of the machine. So there you can see foil's on there pretty good. Just maybe clean up some of the edges if you want a little bit. And there's one capsule refilled. So now we're going to refill the other one. So same method here. Just pour your grounds in, Once it's halfway or so, tamp it down, and then fill it back up, get it back up to the top, tamp it, and then just add a little bit more. And then clean off the edges again. And then we're going to do the same thing with our other piece of foil. So just want to kind of lay it on top, pinch two edges in, then flip it over. Then again, you just want to kind of bring all the edges up. Make sure it's on there pretty tight. Okay. And so since these are reused capsules, I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but you can see the punctures have already been made, the 3 punctures on each one of these capsules. So what I like to do the first time I put it in is I'll take a silver Sharpie marker and just mark right where the top is so that you can line it up when you put it in the machine. So hopefully it'll make punctures in the same exact spots. So first we'll do smaller cup with the smaller shot in the machine. So open it up, and then you can see we're just going to drop in the capsule. You just kind of want to try to drop it in where that line lines up, and then close it. So we'll set our cup underneath here and choose this button on top for the small shot. The machine can turn on here. We'll click it one more time. So we have the small shot selected, and now we're going to brew our shot. Start brewing here in a second. I didn't have the machine on when I started the video, so take a couple seconds longer. So there's the small shot that we brewed. You see it has nice crema on the top. Alright, next up we have our second capsule here. We're going to do the larger lingo shot with this one. So I'm going to place it in the machine. Close it down. We're going to choose this larger button on the top here. Push it. And I'll start brewing. So you can see that it's finished there. I actually prefer this larger cup a little bit more than the smaller one. Probably just because I'm used to drinking regular coffee. But so now I'm just going to take the capsules out, and you can see, so here's what it looks like. Tastes really good. So I'll lower this down and then let the capsule fall in. And we'll pull out the tray here. Sometimes it drips a little bit of water at the end. And then you can see here's the 2 capsules that we refilled. Just place this over the sink. Okay, so here we're over the sink here. We'll just pull out both of these shots that we just pulled. You can see this one, the foil busted up a little bit when I was taking it, so. But it's pretty easy just to peel this foil off, and then you can just take a knife and pull your grounds out, and then refill it for the next time. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to save a little bit of money not buying the Nespresso capsules, or you just like using your own grounds, this is a economical way to do it. And you're also not, wasting these capsules that everybody knows are bad for the environment. So, thanks everyone.